Hi there, this is Mike from SABRENT, and here on this channel we talk about tech and tech related tips, mainly on storage devices. So if that's what you're into, then please hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you get notified of any future videos. But today I have the SABRENT USB-C tool-free enclosure for PCIe M.2 NVMe SSDs, as well as for SATA SSDs. So let's get into this thing and let me talk you through a little bit about it. So in the box, obviously, you get your warranty cards, you also get the instruction manual, and the great thing with this SABRENT enclosure is that it's compatible with Mac OS, Windows, and Linux, but also with iPad OS as well, as I've connected this thing up and with the iPad, and it works fantastically. So inside the box, we get a USB-C cable, so that's end-to-end USB-C, and then we get the star of the show, which is this SABRENT enclosure. So as you can see, it is so thin and small and definitely portable. As you can see, it's made from this really nice almost anodized like aluminium, and obviously we've got the SABRENT logo just over here, and this is going to do really well in terms of thermal dissipation, because inside, as you can see, we've got the thermal pad right over here, which is going to help when you insert your NVMe SSD or SATA SSD inside of here, because this is going to help dissipate the heat across the aluminium enclosure. Now, to install the SSD that you have, all that you do is just pop it in, and then you have this little rubber secure part, which will then can be moved across. So depending on the size of SSD that you have, you can actually pull this out, as you can see. So this bit here, you can pull this out, and then you can pop that right into the size SSD that you have, and then pop that up to start with, and then you can push it down to secure it. So it's really easy to make sure that your SSD fits inside of this enclosure. And then once you're done, all that you do, just close it up, hear that click, and then you're ready to go. So let's open up this USB-C cable. So let's just literally tear into this thing. And then as you can see, we've got the SABRENT USB-C cable included, and then all that you do, just pop that into the enclosure and then pop this into your device. Now, this SABRENT enclosure is a USB 3.2 enclosure, which means that it can reach speeds of up to 10 gigabits per second. This is also plug and play, meaning that there are no additional drivers required. It's all bus powered. And the great thing with this as well is it's compatible, as I mentioned earlier, with all your different types of NVMe SSDs and SATA SSDs, such as 2242, 2260 and 2280. This is also backwards compatible with USB 3.1 and 3.0 at their respective speeds. So if you're looking for a SATA SSD enclosure or NVMe SSD enclosure, then go ahead and pick one of these up. I'll leave links down in the description below. But I really hope that you enjoyed this video and this quick rundown on our SSD enclosure. If you've enjoyed this video, then please hit that like button. And if you're new here, then please hit that subscribe button and notification bell. And if you want to watch more videos, I'll leave an end screen at the end of this video. Anyway, look after yourselves, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.